Hi, welcome back. I'm just after finishing up putting a RAM chip onto this PlayStation 4. If I zoom in here, I don't know if you can see, but I've replaced this RAM chip and there's a jumper wire on this component here and it's running underneath the chip. I got this RAM chip from AliExpress for a tenner and I was curious to see if it'll work. The previous problem with this console is it had this RAM chip was faulty and it was reflowed and it worked, and then it stopped working again after about a year and it was reflowed again. It worked for another small bit, and when I got it, I tried to reflow it as well, but the chip started sitting. After I reflowed it, the chip started sitting wrong and it didn't work, so I had to take off the chip. And when I took the chip off, it had two pull pads. It had one pad down here in the very bottom corner pulled, but that's a ground pad, so I didn't replace that. So the only pad that needed replacing was this pad here. Yeah. So I ran the jumper from there, and it goes underneath, and it does join up. I'll show you the process. I did record it underneath the scope, and I replaced the pads. I put some solder mask onto other areas and replaced the chip. Like I said, the chip I got for €10 from AliExpress, and you can join me at the end of the video just to see if this will actually work. Okay, so we're here at the end and it's time to test, and it does turn on, and so that has worked. And when I got the console first, like I said, it beeped on, beeped off. It was to do with the RAM chip. So it's interesting. This chip that I got from AliExpress actually worked. Like I said, it was €10, so I wasn't expecting this one to work, but it does. So it's a nice repair. In the videos that I have coming up, I have ordered myself an iPower Pro Max for testing iPhones, and I've ordered myself a bench power supply. So I'm going to be working on some phones in some future videos. Like I said, if you enjoy this type of content and you like it, do subscribe and hit the thumbs up, because it does help with the channel. And hopefully I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.